How's it going? Mike Love here at MarineMax Ocean View, and today we're going to be taking a look at a 2025 Grady-White 236 Fisherman. You can see on the side here, beautiful profile, got that nice Carolina flare, and that coastal fog blue color on the full hull. This boat is going to be powered by a single 350 V6 Yamaha engine that will have digital throttle and shift as well as digital steering. Stepping up into the boat, a nice sturdy door to walk through when boarding off the dock or off the ladder. In the back of the boat, you do have a retractable ski tow pylon for all your water sports needs. Live well, as well as a large fish box or onboard cooler, or just dry storage space, really functional box to have there. A pop-up bench in the back, so great seating option, or fold it down to leave more space in the cockpit for fishing. Rod holders in each of the gunnels, as well as a tow rail to lock in when you're fighting the big fish. Rod holders all throughout. We have rocket launchers on the back of the helm seat, as well as up top on the T-top. Also some great storage here. A nice tackle storage compartment there. And that is lockable if you want to leave any of your belongings on board so you're ready at the dock. Stepping up to the helm, independent flip up and down bolsters so you and your guests can have very comfortable seating arrangement. The dash Grady leaves an open canvas to put any kind of electronics you'd like to have. You do have your Yamaha gauge up here though to give your engine diagnostics. Full windshield keeps you dry and comfortable underway, and a radio box overhead. A very spacious head compartment on a 23-foot boat, very deep, nice finishes there as well. And moving to the bow of the boat, awesome seating area. These bolsters are adjustable, so you can become a padding for fishing or have it as a seat back to make two nice loungers up front. Another great seating option right here in front of the helm. And you can actually lift this here to get access all the way up to your anchor locker. So again, this is a Grady-White 236 Fisherman. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, love to have you stop by. And thanks, this is Mike Love at MarineMax Ocean View. See you out on the water.